south of Norway. In total, we have 7 IKEA stores in Norway. 2 of them are in Oslo because it's the capital, but we have only 1 in south of Norway. So I know IKEA is there in India also today, लेकिन मैं इंडिया वाले IKEA भी नहीं गई हूँ. So today I will show you the IKEA here in south of Norway. So come along. IKEA is that you can buy a small thing as like this fork, and you can even buy a sofa, a fridge, a cupboard, a bed, whatever you want. So मतलब कि आप छोटी से छोटी चीज़ और बड़ी से बड़ी चीज़ सेम जगह से खरीद सकते हैं, and it is very economical too. So, guys, I literally got very hungry and I reached this IKEA Bistro and I was really shocked to see this is the cheapest cafe prices I have seen in Norway so far. You can get a pulse in 10 kroner, a vegetarian roll for 8 kroner, which is so far the cheapest I have seen in Norway. And I have taken a snapshot of their entire menu, which is very cheap as compared to the other things. So if you are visiting IKEA, I would suggest you to try this vegetarian roll. It was really very tasty and I just loved it. So guys, as you can see, finally we are done shopping and we are going home. I hope you had fun. It was a big store. I tried to show you the best I could. I hope you like it. See you next time. Bye bye.